Hi, it's Karen Lerner from the Finding Wellness blog. I hope this video finds you well. Well, we're well on our way to having a healthy fall. And we have talked about herbs and their anti-inflammatory properties in the past, specifically with ginger and turmeric. And today I would like to add another herb, and that herb is rosemary. Rosemary is a very powerful anti-inflammatory, and it makes a wonderful tea. We could also use the rosemary essential oils as well. So it's a wonderful thing to add. We can't have enough anti-inflammatories in our diet at this point, especially with COVID. So let's just make some rosemary tea and enjoy at least a couple of times a week. It just gives us something else to keep ourselves healthy. So our repertoire is growing. I will speak to you again next week. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye.